Hi, this is Natalie from 9.arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with another video for the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 2023, hosted by Lisa from Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling and Terry from Sweet Pea Papers. There are challenges going on, well, not a giveaway, sorry, not a challenge, a giveaway, and there is information below this video, but also make sure you check out Terry's video to see what the challenge is. Lisa's having a sale, the information is down below too. And also check out her channel, her Facebook group, and there are other people joining in with the collab, and all the other people are linked down below with the channels and Etsy stores, everything. And last time I did add laces, and I made a pocket, this pocket, and I wanted to include this tag, and now we are going to make the tag. And I want to, because usually you make a tag by backing it with a little bit more sturdy paper, but I thought, well, let's do it a little bit different this time. Going to ink. What I want to do is this is the inside. I want to I have to get my glue. Okay, I have my glue. I want to put this piece on here, as close to the edge as possible. Then I want to do another gluing session, and I'm going to fold this over here. Yeah. I still don't know where my bone folder is. It's gone for a few days now. I will find it because I have two and I lost both of them. Going to cut this, and the paper that I'm using is canvas paper. It is called canvas paper, and it's to paint on. It's not really meant for this, but I do print on it and use it in my journals because it has like a fabric feel, because it's soft. And I want to put this one over here. I have to think about, yeah, I'm going to sew around this, and then I'm going to make it now, or I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, first let me do the inking so I can think about it. So it's sort of a paper fabric tag, but I really think it needs to go in the pocket of the journal that we created in a previous video. Need some glue over here. Yeah, I have to debate, am I going to sew over this and glue this on and then sew on the back side, on the outside of the tag, or I think that's better because then it's sturdier. So first let me sew around this, and then we can add this bit over here because I really like this piece over here. And do we also want, like, this is too small. Not sure if this is red or pink. I think it's red, yeah. I think I want this over here, or like so. Yeah. and this over here. Okay, but first let me sew this together. Okay, I've sewn this together. Need a little bit of glue to put the top piece of the lace on. It's a very thin edge to glue on. Yeah, it's going to work. And when you put on lace, and you probably know that, but maybe if you're a newbie, you don't. Always make sure that you don't have this, but cut it straight. Make sure you have, if possible, because sometimes it's not possible. This is not working. It's a very tiny strip to glue on, extremely tiny. And now this is going to, okay, I'm going to put it a little bit over here. I'm going to cut it off after I sewn it on. Do I need to, yeah, clean this up a little? It's going over here. Oh, I have my sound on. I'm going to glue this on here. So, and I can always add a little bit more glue after I've sewn this piece on, the top piece. But for now, it stays there. It stays put. Yeah, I think this is nice. And maybe put an eyelet in here and a topper, and then you have a pretty tag. Yeah, I'm going to do sew around the border and also sew over the lace. So I did sew around the border. Going to cut off this, and I'm going to cut off, oh, I'm going to cut this. I think I'm going to cut it like so. Well, I already did. And I'm also thinking about adding this little bow thingy. On top. Can I do that? And then put an eyelet in. I think that's cute. Let's do that. Okay, I'm looking at it again. I don't think I want to put the bow on. I do like the bow, don't get me wrong, but I think this is better. Okay, it's getting stuck. And I have a little star eyelet. Or do I want, no, I want this one. So we have like sort of a fabric paper tag. It's a combination of both. Yeah, I really like this. And I want to put in a tag topper do I want to put in this? Probably yes, because this is a fun piece to put in. I want it like with 2 loops, or am I going to make a little bow? Oh, I do like this. I'm going to leave it like this. So let me grab the pocket. And oh, this is cute. Yeah, I like it. So it's going to be in here. And it's flexible, but sturdy. So I really like this. So she can watch like so. So yeah, this is a shorter video than the previous one, but I still hope you liked it. I'm going to, yeah, so you can see better, but this is the tag, and it's flexible and you can actually write on it. I do need to cut this. But yeah, I hope you like it. It's a shorter video, I know, and next time I will do something different. But please let me know what you want me to do with the other laces. If you have other ideas to incorporate these fabrics into the journal, tell me. Maybe I can do something nice and fun on camera. Yeah, let me know if you like the video. If you're not subscribed, maybe you want to be a subscriber. Also hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. We're going to do new challenges next month in the Line.Arrow Facebook group. This month Suzanne is running one with her sewing kit, and I still have to work on that too. So I have videos on that too. But I'm also in the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 2023. Check all the links down below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.